Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela WebDev. In this video, we will discuss about the logical operators and also the conditional constructs in the C programming language. So now this video discusses how logical operators and conditional constructs in programming language can be used to execute multiple conditions and take appropriate actions. So let's see about this one with clear examples and explanation. So logical operators in C. C actually provides three logical operators. First one is the ampersand, ampersand, and. So this combines two conditions. Both conditions must be true for the result to be true. So example which I will try to show you is for example, let's say that this is the example. If A is greater than 10 and also B is less than 20, then both conditions are true. So this is called as a logical AND. And another one is logical OR. So this is another example which you will be having, combines two conditions. At least one condition must be true for the result to be true. So this condition will be in such a way that we will be writing in the C programming language. If A is greater than 10 or B is less than 20. So then it will print this one. At least one condition is true. So the last one is the negation not operator. So this not operator, what it will try to negates a condition. The result is true if the condition is false, then only it will be false. So now here you will write condition in such a way that if not of A greater than 10, then the condition is false. So these are the three logical operators that are available in C and we will be using it. So now I will try to take one simple example. So we need a program that takes marks in 5 subjects, calculate the percentage and determines the division based on the following rules. First division is percentage greater than or equal to 60 means then it is first thing. Second division means 50 less than or equal to percentage less than 60. So that means it should be in between 50 and 60. Third division means it should be between 40 and 50 and less than 40 means fail. So now I will try to show you a simple example. So I have already example with me. So just I will try to copy it and I will show it here. So here this is the thing. So now here we are taking the 5 subjects marks M1, M2, M3, M4 and M5 and we are taking the percentage also. So these are the integer and here we are printing F and we are trying to check the value for this one. Okay. So now here we are checking the percentage M1 plus M2 plus M3 plus 4 into 100 divided by 500. So we are checking the percentage for this one. So if the percentage is greater than or equal to 60 means then what we need to do, it's a first division, else if the percentage is greater than or equal to 50 means then it is second division, else if a percentage is greater than or equal to 40 means then third or otherwise fail. So now if I try to run this one, so it will be asking you about, so here I can write 35, 45, 25 and 56 and 67. Let's try to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I try to click enter, so we got the third division. So that means greater than or equal to 40. So we got the third division. So this is how we will be able to calculate. So now here we are writing the nested if else conditions. So now advantages for this one is straightforward to write. Disadvantages is code becomes difficult. So here the simple nested if, by using nested if we have written. Code becomes difficult to read due to excessive nesting. Matching if else pairs and braces is challenging. Indentation increases making debugging harder. So now the same way by using the logical operators we can implement the same thing. So this approach eliminates logical operator approach eliminates nesting by combining conditions using logical operator ampersand, ampersand and OR. So for this one what we can do, it is the same scenario we can write in such a way that, so these all if conditions, nested if conditions, you can remove it and here I will be writing in such a way that if percentage is greater than or equal to 60 means first division. If the percentage is greater than or equal to 50 and less than 60 means second division, and if the percentage is greater than or equal to 40 and less than 50 means third division. So that is. So now if you try to run the same output, so now here you will be able to get the same output 34, 23 and 13 and 56 and 47. So if I try to press enter, now he is failed. So this is the thing. So now here you will be able to get this one. So advantages of this one is code is flat and easier to read and no nested blocks. Disadvantages is all conditions are evaluated even if one is already satisfied, leading to unnecessary checks. So method 3 is using else if condition. Okay. So here we have used all the nested if condition, right? So method 3 what we can use it is this approach is use the else if construct to eliminate the unnecessary evaluation. So for this one, so what can I do here? If we are using the simple F like this, so we can have something like this one. So if percentage greater than 60 means like this, else if means like this, and else if means like this. So here we can do it like this. So now if I try to check the scenario, then also we will be able to get it passed. So 34, 45 and 56 and 67. If I press enter, so we got the third division. So this is how. So this reduces the indentation. Once a condition is satisfied and no further conditions are checked, handles the none of the above case with the final else clause. So this is how we will be checking the what I want to say is the logical operators. So this is how we will be using the logical operators. Now the key takeaways is, so here what I want to tell you is, so by the end of this video, logical operators simplify condition handling but may lead to unnecessary evaluations if not used carefully. Else if is efficient and reduces code complexity when dealing with multiple exclusive conditions. Choose the approach that best suits your specific requirements and ensures code readability and maintainability. So that's it guys about this one, logical operators concept. Hope you understood about this concept. So if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.